Well, it's been a while since we put out a video, and folks have been wondering what's going on at the shop. Well, this is a 1951 M-38A1 Willys Overland Jeep. Military issue back in, I think it was, the build date is September of 51. So this is what we kind of have going on. She has a lot of issues, lots of rust, and we'll explain that as we go. Okay, it's fairly obvious that the old girl is in dire need of some fresh metal. Yep, floor's pretty much gone. I don't know what even holds this. It's fairly firm yet, but it's tipped way out. Both fenders are. Truthfully, like you can see, there is no floor left in this vehicle. Zero. They had a piece of plywood screwed to the frame and to the side of the body. That was what the guy sat on when he plowed snow. The center transmission tunnel, I'll have to make that. The other one is here, and there's enough there bones wise that I can probably duplicate that. It won't be maybe identical, but it'll be pretty darn close, and get the job done, tie the floor together. We've got some rust around the cowl here and actually all across the top. She's pitted pretty well, so we'll probably patch this. I want to keep as much 1951 metal in it as possible. The front fenders aren't too bad, a little dinged up down there where the running board got tore up a little bit. And so we've got the dismantling well underway here, and you can see here again, yeah, she needs some metal, and it's severely pitted through here. So this will be getting some new metal. And truthfully, it should just have a new tub put in it, and those are available. But I've got all the tools to do this, so there's no point in me buying a tub. I'm gonna make it. I've got the measurements, I've got templates made now, and so we're gonna get after this thing. And hopefully we can amaze you folks on what gets accomplished here. And anyway, get the old Nelly bell here running. Here the template material is laid out on 3/4 inch plywood for creating the hammer form buck, for hammer forming the rear fenders. And this here is making a template for the rear wheelhouse. And all I have to do is reverse those, and I have both sides doing it. And then here we'll just cut them out. Part of the buck for hammer forming the back fender. I think it's going to be all right. The wood is cut out for the hammer form. This is not one for each fender. What will happen is both fenders will get made out of this, so just hammer the flanges in a different direction. What actually happens is the metal gets placed between them. That the metal will be between them with the flange material sticking out, and I still have to sand these to make them perfect with each other, but That will get us our rear fenders. And what I do is I'll flange it one way and then flange it the other way. And as a result, I'll have both rear fenders. And this is the vision I have for the Jeep, what it will become.